Hey art friends, today we're going to draw something really fun. It's a folding surprise sun, and when it's closed it'll just look like the sun, but then when it's open it'll have a big mouth and lots of summer things exploding out of it. And I hope you're going to follow along with me. I'm using my markers to draw in color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by folding our paper. And we're gonna take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and crease it down the middle, and then out to the corners. Then we're gonna take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and fold that down. And if you need more time, remember you can pause the video. Next, let's flip our paper over and we can repeat that same step where we'll take the top flap, line it up with the top edge and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so let's unfold it, flatten it out, and then we can flip our paper back over and it should open like this when we're all done. I also have a scratch piece of paper we're gonna put underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table because I'm using a marker to draw with. Okay, let's draw our sun. We're gonna draw a big circle and we'll draw half of the circle above this fold and the other half below. So let's start over here. I'm gonna draw a big half circle on the top. And that makes it a little easier if you draw a half circle because then you're not trying to go over this fold with your marker or your drawing, the thing you're using to draw with. Sometimes it gets caught on the fold and then wrinkles the paper. So I like drawing the top half first and then the bottom half. Okay, now let's draw the eyes for our sun. I'm gonna draw a circle on the left and a circle over here on the right. And then we can also add the highlights. I always like to add smaller circles in the top left of each eye, and then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's draw the mouth for our sun. I'm gonna draw half of this line on top of the fold and the other half below. So when it's all opened up, you should see a line up here and also a line on the other side. If you need to, you can draw the line twice. So one on top of the fold and one below. Then we can also add a little cheek line on both sides. And then we can draw also the sun rays coming out from our sun. First, let's start over here above the fold. I'm gonna draw triangle shapes that go all the way around. I'm gonna try to repeat the same size triangle. I got a little small up at the top so it wouldn't go off the page. And then I'm gonna try to end right there above the fold. And then we can draw sun rays below the fold, going all the way over to the other side. And I'm gonna try to fit in, and there we go. All right, there's our sun. Now we're ready to open up our paper and we can flatten out the folds so it's easier to draw on. We should have half the sun on the top and half down here at the bottom. And if you want, you can also, let's go back over this line for the mouth on the top and then also on the bottom. Okay, now first let's add teeth. We're gonna draw friendly teeth up here at the top. I'm gonna draw, let's start with the middle. I'm gonna draw 2 letter U's connected in the middle. And then we can draw maybe 2 more. Yeah, we can fit 2 more in on the left and also on the right. Okay, let's do the same thing down here at the bottom, except turn them upside down. So 2 friendly teeth in the middle and 2 on each side. And everything we're drawing now, we want it to be below this top fold and above the bottom fold. That way when it is folded up like this, it's all hidden. So you can't see the teeth, but when you open it, there they are. Okay, so everything else we're gonna add in between. And we wanna draw a bunch of different summer things. And you could change this. You could pause the video right now and add whatever you want to the inside. You could even turn this into a birthday card. You could turn it into a get well soon. You could change it any way you want. You can add all kinds of words or even objects. Let's draw a bunch of summer things. Let's first draw a circle for a beach ball. Okay, now let's add the details for the beach ball. First, a little oval up here, and then we can draw curves coming out to the side. And let's draw 2 more curves going up. And how many curves? Maybe 2 there and 1 right down the middle. Let's add 1 more line. There we go. Okay, there's our beach ball. Now let's add a popsicle. I'm going to draw it over here. We'll draw a big upside down letter U. And then we can draw the bottom of the popsicle. And I'm overlapping behind the beach ball. And we could draw a really long, narrow, or skinny letter U for the popsicle stick. Okay, now let's draw ice cream over here on the right. I'm going to draw the cone first. And then we can draw a little cloud line for the bottom of the ice cream scoop. And then we can draw a big, let's draw a couple bumps for the top of our ice cream. There we go. What else should we add? Maybe sunglasses. Let's add them right here. I'm going to draw 2 letter U's next to each other. And the sunglasses, they're going to be behind the ice cream. So there's the top of the lenses, and then we can draw the frames. Let's draw it going around, underneath, around, and then over the top. Let's have a big wave of ocean water coming out of our sun. I'm going to draw big drops. Now you could change this. You don't have to add this. This might also look kind of gross, like he's spitting. But I'm going to draw these big drops, big ocean waves, or a big splash going behind everything. There we go. And then connecting back into the teeth. Okay, next let's connect the sun down to the bottom. So first let's do the inside of the mouth, or the sides of the mouth, coming down. And if you can see a little gap down here, maybe you can see a little line for the side. And then let's draw the side of the sun coming down and behind the water, and we'll connect to the side of the sun down here. Let's do the same on the right and connect it in. And let's add the little triangles for the sun rays. We're going to use our imagination and pretend they're going behind. And if you can see them sticking out from the water, maybe you can get 1 more in there. And let's do some on this side too. And 1 more right there. We did it! We finished drawing our folding surprise sun, except we still need to color it. Oh, you could add even more things before you color, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. We'll speed this up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. I really hope you're going to take time to color your drawings. It looks so much better. And also add more things. Added these little lines to make it look like the sun's dancing. And also on the inside, I added extra water drops. But you can add whatever you want. You could add more summer treats, or maybe even yourself jumping out of the sun. I also added darker blue for the shading to make it look more 3D, and a white colored pencil to add highlights to make things look shiny. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and I hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.